Nirmala Kenyam, Biakamal ka Nur Online TV channel, Kajan Guasme, Terrat me Bukonaling, ka Kwide ni Nyin SSPDF, the Indian Kontila de ni South Sudan People Defense Force, Sintipin Kirma Yadit, Teacher Jakano Biken checkpoint Biken Kogak. Bana duob dan lero daga jaman den kulilin ko ngai kono no teka koro ngwalung to to kam espele mayo kane SSPDF kana mo to kana agro den godan to korten ngai kono ban lero ban je kullin kel ka duob dan chano ngaja mi jiram jidit ka Nur Online TV channel mi changan yam ko je jen jegdu kay channel me gor jen wo jender subscribe ko de ler tede kan kula mala shu gosten gor kon kan wode ko ten de notification bell bade je twany ko be kan chachu ko jiga pet en ler ban lingwa seme ler mi shala do nene they need jen baro widaro tisha jak kume South Sudan People Defense Force SSPDF chaga jagan winemi ko bike checkpoint ni ku gweta konti la torbieli jaka chungtin bikan ka ulep ken checkpoint en kon inshallah do shagek wa gek espele mayo ki kuma espele mayo ban ler kan lat gwas me ban jeling ka do badan na chajalat ke je ramdan la SSPDF mala ler kalat Major General Lul Ray Kong ano charach ka chanka ngwan ka kor gwase dan ki ka kor gwase paiwa no dong da ta ka duob mi ba checkpoint en kontin lat ke no shagek tin chalef kitin chaga de ga nyok mi lep ka ban rajem ban jeling ka tuk english ka kor kum ji kon to gwasme ken de ni tin cha jak kum so sudan chala do ken cha ka jak kum so sudan ko mu wete karamo ken jek mi si checkpoint cha jagak chala do bi ken yan match any checkpoint gwada chitril chongtuno wacha gor kum so sudan chike checkpoint me mishagaka wacha jagor akan ngote konte cha yapin neme akel gatin kontin ga kume SSPDF ka kene kume mala kume spele mayo nate in pin Dr. Yuma Chatin ngai kona gwano ne te kana gro ka Western Equatoria ngode te kariktin wana to okten winami ariktin wanlong bana dob dan chora lat keje kimen chalat ken ne de konti la dini kata ne ti tin cha jagan winimi dindi jen baro widaro tin kontin go ken odong be ken checkpoint be ken ko nyoko lep ken ka the SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force spokesperson said 72 soldiers have been dispatched to hostile areas as a punishment for reestablishing illegal checkpoints along highway. Major General Lu Kong spoke in a press briefing at Bilpam on Monday. He suggested that such disciplinary measure of sending soldiers to hostile areas is a way to reprimand them for overstepping boundaries of engaging in illegal activities. General Lu said the establishment of illegal checkpoints is a form of corruption and undermines security effort. We have mechanism now. You are caught manning establish a roadblock. We take you to the hostile areas, and we have already started with some of our servicemen who were involved in the looting of Sudanese business owned shop, he said. We took them to hostile areas. The area that they will be fine is that will keep them busy instead of thinking about engaging in criminal activities. We took 72 officers and some more are being taken to hostile areas. General Lu Kong could not elaborate what kind of hostile area the soldiers are being sent to. He further said such destinations are not only hostile but very remote. We don't want to tell them we need to surprise them so that at least this business of trying to cause inconvenience is not there. General Lul added that although illegal roadblocks have been removed, the River Nile checkpoints are still there, and could not be removed without the possibility of military confrontation. On the River Nile, our chief of defense force doesn't want confrontation with IO, with SPLM-IO. And that is why he left out the issue of removal of checkpoint along the River Nile, because SPLM-IO have 33 roadblocks along the River Nile. And Agwelek of former Olin forces got two, so our CDF said he would like two meetings with his counterpart first on how to come up with modality on the removal of checkpoint without fighting. Gwaza meken checkpoint in content cha nyok kamagaka ke shikumen chialin gwaza me ala jiyir wate ke checkpoint te la boni akap ko chongten aspele mayo teken ke checkpoint shoku jandang de gudero jandang de gude diok ti chiken ke la 2 year ke to year la mi bod we jala ke babu la kan ga kep chong cha kula da jaram dan la lere deni South Sudan lat South Sudan people fan for la kalat lure kong shela do chine gurno de ne wo ka kan go to ko dong de ne ka ga dong da kor de jeno ka kuje mo shine bo adundo te ka gwat ratin kontin jele torbiyelten te shagak te gwine gwano kan to bine ka lep jen lad jen o chika de ni jen baro widro chikan ga jak ka pin ano ko bikan ne to ti sharu lelo ga ka checkpoint mo bine ka surprise ke bine ka maka quickena kana location kana jalat jakan gani kan denju te gor kan ode kana do ka bane rin konden cha checkpoint cha ga lef dongai kon bono kor ngodo ten donga ga jes pele mayo gor kan ode kan ga mako ke ngumile roda qui kondono ke kan kornin titene ne de kono nyinga ke spele mayo kan ko dealing yen ke lis lian dan talk ne jibon la non ke ne to kan dial ke ko dan to kam dien ke spele mayo chicken lad no anteme te ko biken road belong dial biken ka wuch ko cha gor kene en road block mom lat ka dadwo ke checkpoint lat ka dadwo bone lawo ba torbele kapchong ajene corruption ka kane itimo yar kane security ndana cha european kirma yadit ko kire jan checkpoint ne dial ka lab ke tele mugoro ba torbele ba kapchong ko wa torbele ya kapchong te yur la kan ka ke tolga sol buktin makan la da kume ka kuji macha gujeno tele mishale checkpoint ndara mo eno ba checkpoint ba ka ga wa ku kanedin kon tin yar ke South Sudan wa ja kana ka moy kan ka bangalon ko be kan kwagna be kan ga get jene dane kwala ga je duno chi aspele mayo je guje nona aspele mayo guje no do mi bi ku ma South Sudan ba ka twaje ga gwadda ta katen kon misha ngaje ne ta ka road block la ta ga checkpoint chi South Sudan people fan for chicken wa na kana shung na kana ngaje no gwadu mo ti checkpoint dung aspele mayo teten but the time ga jen gwas me la kana ngaje no chador chale buga chu lo ngai kana buga na mak ke buga wo ko gor ko no buga ga ke ku me aspele mayo na me ajen adan en gore de nyoga yekel ka ku checkpoint ni no kum so Sudan ti kende nyen baro wider jen baro wider o ti kanga jak gwada kon weekend en wo ka hostile areas ke gwada kon te karik gwada content cha illegal checkpoint cha ga lepten charo yuma cha jala ta general lu re kong re wicha ka so Sudan ka do bran gor kana de maler de ten ka je jendana gor de nyoga yekel kwa subscribe kwa nyoga ne ko ken gor jeno biya ler tin be biya nyoga mlingen ke biya ta kamal bye bye